Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahabi. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful, all praises to Allah, the Lord of the world. May His peace and blessings be upon our noble Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, his household and his companions. Welcome to Durūs al Lughah al-ʿArabiyyah, the book series designed to help beginners learn the Arabic language step by step. Arabic is the language of the Quran, and learning it helps us better understand Islam and its teachings. This book makes learning Arabic easier by using simple words, clear examples, and gradual lessons that build your understanding over time. As you study, take your time, practice regularly, and do not rush. With patience and consistency, your Arabic will steadily improve, inshallah. We ask Allah to bless His journey and make it beneficial for everyone who is learning and the one who is teaching. Amen. Who is this book for? This book is for absolute beginners, those who have no prior knowledge of the Arabic language. Suitable for learners of all ages who wants to start Arabic from the basics in a structured and effective way. What are the prerequisites? Before starting this book, the learner should be able to 1. Recognize the Arabic alphabets. 2. Read Arabic letters in all their positions, either at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end. If you don't know how to read yet, I would recommend 2 books to you. You don't have to read both, you just have to study one of them. The first would be Nurul Bayan, and the second would be Qaida to Nuraniyya. I will drop links to playlists that cover each of the books listed above in the description. Other than that, no other background knowledge is required. About the author. The author of this book is Dr. V. Abdul Rahim. Dr. V. Abdul Rahim was born in 1933 in the town of Baniyambadi, in the state of Tamil Nadu, India. After completing his secondary education, he joined Presidency College, University of Madras, where he specialized in English language and literature. During his early years, Dr. V. Abdul Rahim learned Arabic by himself, mainly through books such as al-ʿArabiyyah in Urdu and Teach Yourself Arabic in English by A.S. Triton. He graduated in 1957 and later completed a master's degree in Arabic in India. In 1964, he joined Al-Azhar University in Cairo, where he earned his MPhil and PhD in Arabic philology. Between 1966 and 1969, he taught English to Arabic at Durūs Islamic University in Sudan. In 1969, he joined the Islamic University of Madinah, where he taught Arabic to non-Arab students. He was also involved in developing programs for teaching Arabic as a foreign language. The course he designed later became known as Durūs al Lughah al-ʿArabiyyah, which is a book we'll be studying. These books are now widely known around the world as the Madinah Books. Having learned Arabic himself as a non-native speaker, Dr. V. Abdul Rahim carefully studied the difficulties faced by learners of Arabic and designed this course to address those challenges in a clear and practical way. He passed away on the 19th of October 2023 at the age of 90. May Allah's mercy be upon him. Ameen. We will get into the book from the next video, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.